Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna show you how to make this gorgeous and very exclusive sari border at home. So for that we need some different size pearls and some different size golden beads. So please follow the steps very carefully. It's look very trendy. You can create this design on your favorite sari, dupatta, kurti, blouse, etc. This will give you an expensive and designer look. Or in this way you can redesign your old sari or dupatta into a new and rich look. So I hope you love my idea. If you have any queries then please comment me below and don't forget to hit the like button because it's really motivate me a lot. Also request you to subscribe this channel with bell icon that you never miss any update. Now stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Hope you understand the tutorial well. See you in next tutorial. Till then take care and bye bye.